Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
Ki board district jong ka East Khasi Hills kiliat ho ba na ki lais pa an repusan ngut ki bre ki bawan na ka Jylla Manipur haga por badan ka jingi ka jia sya ka Jylla mi ka halia kumbakalong menta sa tang hanyo po nyongut ki dang don hapo ka Jylla hinrai ki wei pat ki la let sya ki wei pat ki Jylla ka than sya tela mi ngi badru sya ki wei pat ki Jylla jong ka ri nakaliang ka deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills kongro sita em kurba kalaong bada ka jing ai jing kershan jong ki dorbar shnong ki pulit pat ki board district bon na kini ki wan rong sa ka Jylla ki la mi bat let sa aizor ki don ki balet sa Delhi na sa Bangalore bat ki don ru ki balet pai sa ka Jylla jong ki sa Manipur nakaliang additional deputy commissioner uba Ronnie Walang uliat ho ba ki bre ki balawan rong sa ka Jylla ki dei ki ganti ki wifi bat ki zo ki badai ki reulom kuki ha kabala ai jaka sa yaki da ki Evangelical Baptist Convention Church bat ka Chin Baptist Association kat kum gajing ajing tip jong ka CDA bat ka EBCC kila penting kena bakum balong menta kidon setang hanyo po nyongut ki bedang sa hapo ka Jylla kini ru kidon ki basa lang bat ki bahaying hasem don ki basa bat ki perlok bat don ru ki ba shong ying wai bat ye ki jingtip ki ba bania halor jong ki board district kila yo bat ru ban tim ya ki jaka shong jaka sa jong kini ki breo
migrants from Manipur that are stationed in Shillong. As you all know, there was an incident in Manipur during the month of May, and subsequently the three tribes, that is the Gangte, the Waipe, and the Zhu communities of the Kuki tribe, they have come to Shillong to take shelter, and at that point of time they had been accommodated by the church, by their their association. There were about 365 migrants that were reported, and this number was given to us by the concerned community, addressed to the police station, our police station, and thereafter it arrived in my office. And of course, I have with me my ADM who had conducted the inquiry and have met them personally, and I would request them to kindly say a few words.
District. Myself, together with the BDO of Mampant, the DYSP, in charge of the area, conducted 3 meetings. One at Madanating Police Station in the presence of the Rambashnong, the Senkanthai, the representatives of the Zao, the Waipe, and the Gangte, representing the Kuki tribe, who were present in the meeting that was held at Madanating Police Station. The representatives of the 3 communities expressed gratitude to the Dalbashnong of Madanrating and also to the police based at Madanrating Police Station for having provided protection to the migrants who had arrived in Shillong. The Senkanthai of Madanrating had also extended all possible assistance, particularly to women, the old and the infirm. In the meeting, the district administration assured all possible assistance to the migrant communities, and till date we are in constant touch with them, and therefore the numbers, as has been provided by Madam DC, has dwindled. Today the number stands at 77, and this is on the submission that has been made by the representatives of these 3 communities and the 2 church denominations, the CBA, the Chin Baptist Association, and also by the Evangelical Baptist Church Convention. The pastors of these 2 institutions have also submitted reports to us stating that there are no longer any migrants that live in the church institutions, and the 77 that we have right now are put up either in the relatives' place. Some have managed to get accommodation, rented accommodation, wherein the police, through the SP East Khasias district, has facilitated in providing the police report to the Darbar Nong so that people who look for rented accommodation are given such accommodations. Then we also have students who have come from Manipur to Shillong. Some are already pursuing their studies in the various institutions of Shillong, and some are seeking admissions into the different institutes in Shillong. The district administration has facilitated in providing them information that is necessary, and has also requested the pastor in charge of CBA, the pastor in charge of EBCC, and the representatives of the three communities need for admissions, considering that we are already mid-year. We would do the needful from our end. However, they have been able to manage on their own, and none had come so far in as far as seeking admissions into different institutions are concerned. May I also point out that the Darbar Nong Lapalang, together with us, also conducted a meeting on the 20th of May 2023 at Chin Baptist Association building, wherein we had direct interactions with the migrant families, and wherein we had assured them all possible assistance in addition to police protection. We like to place on record our sincere gratitude to the Darbar Nong Lapalang, which in the initial stage of the migration of these affected families into Shillong, particularly into Lapalang locality, had even provided them dry rations. On having interacted with them, we understood that most of them were looking forward to go back, and we are grateful to the SP of East Khasi Hills in having facilitated to ensure that there is safe passage of the migrants from Manipur who have resided in Shillong and who are willing to move back through a safe passage that was being provided by the SP in consultation with his colleagues in the other parts of Aizawl and also in Churachandpur in Manipur. So as we stand today, we have just 77 of those people who are still staying in Shillong, and most of them, or a great majority of them, are presently residing either in the relatives' apartments, the relatives' homes, their friends, and also their extended families. And a few of them have managed to get hostel accommodation since they are students pursuing their studies in different institutes in Shillong.
We have convened a meeting in the month of May after the incident in Manipur. We have convened a meeting where midday and cookies were all attended. And in fact, it was attended by our respected DGP sir and all the senior police officers. So where we convene and speak to both the communities that they should maintain peace as long as they are in Shillong, because they should not create any problems, no law and order in Shillong. Whatever they need, security, protection from us, we assure them all, and we have exchange a number with all the leaders of what the communities are. Then also, in the place where we stay, in Lapalang, we have ensured their security and safety along with Darbar Nong. We have sent patrol time to time from the police stations and also by the sector officer, which is a DSP. So they really feel secure and not feel insecure while they are here. And we in fact always working together with the district administration, DCMM and all the district magistrate to ensure their security and safety as long as they are here. Thank you.
Of July, the latest of which we submitted, and for which the DYSP today had personally visited the CBA and also the EBCC church to confirm if there are any migrants living in those places, and the report as we received from the DYSP is nil. So therefore we have arrived at this figure of 77 as submitted by the representatives of these communities, the details of which are available with us, where are they staying, the contact numbers are also available with us, and we are in constant touch with them should there be any problem that they face, be it admissions, be it accommodation, or be it any other issues that they face. We have asked them to be in touch with us so that we can facilitate in whatever way is possible to ensure that they have a safe stay in Shillong.
DG sir was there, so in fact on that day, DG sir has clarified. So I don't want to repeat again because we have clarified on that day. It was a minor scuffle.
Them have gone on their own. Okay, we just facilitate their movement. They've gone to, mostly they've gone back to Aizawl, Manipur again, and some of them to Bangalore, majority to Aizawl. Guwahati,
New Delhi as well.
New Delhi. That's it. But majority to Aizawl.
Ma'am, from the end of the administration, because that Rang Vaishnavas are kind of harassing the tenants, those who have already been in the state before the violence that has occurred in Manipur, what is happening is that the Vaishnavas are asking these tenants to provide affidavit if, you know, in spite of them showing like college fees or some ID. So
There was a lot of rumors like that. The thing is that we do ask for these documents even to non-Manipuris who have come during this, from July onwards. So it's a normal thing to ask for documents for anyone who comes from outside. So that is what has happened, but that was resolved. We have met with the headmen of Lapalang, Madan Retain, and the other Nong. All the headmen we have been in touch, and they have given us the word that there no harassment as such.
And any of the sort where, you know, many Manipuris are seeking a rent out here, they're not given, they're denied because either they're scared that it might become this.
For your kind information, since that 6th of July till today, I have not received a single complaint. So hearsay will always be there, right? Unless it comes in black and white, I cannot accept that it is a complaint.